Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a drawing into a PNG file with transparent background. The tools you will need include Paint to Sign and Photoshop, and a scanner or a phone scan app, and it will be easier if you have a tablet, but you can also use your mouse. I use this method to edit the scenes of my first year film at Arts. First, open up the file and duplicate a layer of it. Then go to Layer, Brightness to Transparency, and to get a semi-transparent image. Next, create a folder and put that semi-transparent layer and a new layer into it, and name it Silhouette. Then create a clipping mask to the folder. Step 5. Fill out the silhouette of the drawing. This will take some time. You can listen to some podcasts while doing this, and you can do it many ways you like, such as using selection pen, lasso tool, brushes, and etc. Take care of the edge of the image to get a smooth silhouette. After that, try see it on different background colors to test the result. If some part doesn't fit, adjust it by digital painting techniques, such as adding textures and paint overs, and etc. Finally, open Photoshop and export the file as a PNG file. Here it goes. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.